Should we do it again? All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. Max, do you want to say hi to everyone?
Hi, everyone.
Good boy, good boy. So I've got my little sous chef here this week, and we are going to be doing a little bit of kind of recipe development. So this is a bit of a behind the scenes because I found this amazing place called the Woodshed the other day. They sell all types of culinary wood. So we're talking pecan, hickory, maple, mesquite, and citrus. So all local citrus. Are you going down? Are you going to say bye? Yeah, okay, laters, mate. Anyway, let's do a beautiful whole chicken smoked over citrus wood. We're also going to give it some wonderful Californian flavors, rubbed together with some parsley, lemon, garlic, and ancho chili pepper. We're going to smoke that. Come on, guys, you know, is going to be absolutely beautiful. So, come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, we're going to make our fire. So I've got some paper in the bottom of the smoker. Let's grab some kindling. We're going to pile that up. And now we can light it and get that going. Okay, so let's grab our citrus wood. Now, obviously citrus, generic term, lemon, lime, orange, all depends on what it's going to be. I think this is orange, not sure, but anyway, it's citrus. We definitely know it's citrus. Right, that is looking really, really good. All that kindling's nice and flaming. So we're just going to pop the chimney of the smoker on top of this, okay? And that's actually going to help the fire really kind of build up. That fire is looking absolutely wonderful. So let's get those logs on. Now is actually a really good time to give that a good clean and a good scrape. Right, that is absolutely roaring, and that's pretty much what we want to do. We want to make sure all those logs really catch. They're going to burn really, really well. So we're going to take probably about 10-15 minutes for them to really catch. Let those flames die down, because let me show you. If we put the lid on there to try and cool that down now, we're going to get loads of smoke, and it's going to be too much smoke. It's going to smoke out the entire house. So we're actually just going to let that burn down. And then when the temperature's ready, we're going to get the chicken on. But in the meantime, let's get our chicken ready. Now, because we are in California and we're using the local citrus wood, I thought let's give this a lovely kind of Californian flavor to it as well. So I've got some lemon, garlic, parsley, oregano. We've got some avocado oil and some ancho chili powder. And of course, we've got some beautiful British Malden sea salt to go with this. Anyway, let's get all of this into a large bowl. We're going to squeeze over that lemon. Let's add a really good glug of avocado oil, which this is the first time I've seen this avocado oil, and it's looking very, very, very clear. I was expecting it to be a little bit more green, but we'll look into that. Good pinch of salt. Okay, now we need a good pinch, probably about 2 or 3 teaspoons of ancho chili pepper. And now let's mix this all together. And guys, right, there's no measurements here, okay? There's no measurements, just, whatever you think is going to be enough to cover a chicken. I'm just eyeballing all of this. So anyway, that's looking really good. So let's grab our chicken. We're going to pour that all over. And then using our hands, we want to rub that all over the chicken. I want to make sure that's completely coated. Let's make sure we get loads of that down inside the cavity. That chicken looks absolutely beautiful already. So let's just have a quick look at the fire, see how the wood's kind of broken down. It's probably just gone a little too far, so the heat's going to have been reduced down. I'm probably going to add a few more logs as we go along, just to make sure we're still feeding that fire. Let's get the chicken into a cast iron skillet. So I'm going to do that instead of getting it straight on the grill. That way we can keep all those beautiful roasted chicken juices in there. Okay, that is brilliant. That's exactly what I was looking for. I was kind of hoping that we get, you know, within just outside that smoke zone. Because it's a chicken, we want it to kind of roast. We want it just a little bit hotter. So 275, 300 degrees, perfect. So we're going to roast, smoke that for probably about an hour and a half, and then we'll just come back and have a look at it as it's coming along. Okay. Right, here we go. Look at that, guys. I mean, look at that. This is just absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's just give it, I mean, those breasts are feeling quite nice and firm. It's probably had about an hour and a half, actually. Okay, so let's just do the classic check. Let's just see how that's coming. Oh, we've got kind of massive smoke in my eyes, but okay, there, that's absolutely done. That's so beautiful. Right, let's get this off, and then we're going to let that rest for probably about 10, 15, yeah, probably about 15 minutes or so. I need to put that, oh my gosh, oh, that smells so good. Right, here we go, guys. This has had a beautiful rest and it just smells absolute heaven. And best of all, for our California chicken, I've got a beautiful California Chardonnay to go with it. 1 second. Oh, delicious. Right, let's carve off a little bit of chicken. Okay, here we go. So we've just taken off a little bit of the breast there. So we're just gonna give this a try. And I've got to say straight away, it's so succulent and juicy. You know, it's really being cooked beautifully. And you get this lovely aroma of the roast chicken, which is what you want. You know, you always want the meat to be, you want to be able to taste the meat. You don't want it completely overpowering with either smoke or spices. Subtlety, that's what we're looking for, just complete subtlety. And then you get a little bit of the smoke, and the smoke is so light and beautiful. So anyway, let's try it. Perfect. Honestly, guys, there's literally, the smoke is really delicate, and I knew a few restaurants were using citrus wood and just kind of you know, raving about how good it is, but that is, it's wonderful. You know, and you guys who've been with me a long time now, you know we've done stuff on maple, we've done it on hickory, we've done applewood, pecan, almond wood, and now citrus as well. And oh man, and you know what? That garlic just comes through. So it's a beautiful amount of garlic. Little, you can't even taste the spice. There's no chili coming through, but you know that the flavour of the chili is there. So, guys, we're probably going into more detail than we normally do, but that's because, you know, this is more of a recipe development video rather than, right, let's do a cooking recipe. If you know what I mean. You guys get it. Anyway, I am going to go and share that with my family. Guys, get in the comments, give us a thumbs up, tell me what you think, and I will see you next week. Thank goodness the kids are back at school and I can get back to making cooking videos when I've got a little bit more time. So expect loads of amazing cooking videos to come from this, because we're putting these together. How I've managed to get them done, I've no idea. But anyway, love you guys, take care, bye-bye.